who to abruptly, if it is force me to stop, then this vulgarism chudi, that Sujoy Shotto, Somor, Gunjon, Tukuri, Tukot, Tusita, Durjodon, Tujot, Tujit, Oshobon, Sushobon, Majid, Ajoy, Durjoy, Jayanto, Milan, etc. Chudir Bacha to hint at me. Because this I to post to show this particular cloud shaped, they has to so angry on me to hinder me. This people's is in a so vulgar. This is this particular and the camera to show these people's. Then I have to then they will not allow me. They will not allow me. They are not allowing me. I am to coming this slide so. Then I am going next. What the fear in exposing to see the boundless ocean, boundless causes of sorrowness, boundless inescapable dangers creating creation of seeds, medium, or cause or means, whatever can say. Now how you all to accept due to only that carbon dioxide amount of change, why unable like real religious scientists, Indian, ancient Sagat-wise wisdom capacity to cause restore those also demons to cloud why to take wrong shape and peculiar shape. So I to show these clouds, I to show this particular cloud, I to go the particular cloud, this vulgar ladies when do this coitus and that machine setup, sub setup, what they have hinder me and to destroy that PowerPoint files. This Chudir Bacha, to whom I am showing this Chudmaharani's Chudir Bacha, you have to show this how to take a vagina shape. Then this Chudmaharani's how to in this these peoples I to blame these Chudmaharani's who do that your image. Suddenly they stopped me. They stopped me that files and they said there your image cannot be seen for you see this they destroyed me at least 7-8 critical where I to show this image and vulgar magis jo cloud formation but they cannot save. The ultimately blame has gone to Sony because the Sony may be innocent but this Chudir Bacha who is to hack my camera. I to blame to go indirectly through the Sony. These people who has to create my what I got. If I'll not be able to show this who to create my partition of this camera on which I am doing this. Then I to show this boundless, I to say they are the happening, so many things as written my here to read you because those are non-edited form. With great difficulty I've typed this material for misusing what is doing crime against humanity. There are a lot of how this Osuro demons has developed and they harm to oceans, but these people to cry climate change, but they are not searching why the clouds are taking different shapes. They are harming my all brothers to causing heart attack. I am always to blame this heart attack, how this, where the all creatures living for our human element, body function, mind, lifespan, weather, climate, stability depends upon stick earth ability. Those are being even that from these areas, they are causing heart attack. The causes of all present time total abnormalities, death, as these people can be showed as a genetic changes in this nature also, those boundless ocean, there is boundless sorrow createness on this earth to allowing these people. So now I am coming to my show. Now they have is not allowing me to rotate. So they again not allowing this rotation. Now the picture cannot be edited because you have not disk space. This is a wrong cause. This is a wrong cause I have to show, but you can see my this that saying you can easily read my pension book number of IVRI, where is mention I to mention that my pension number is the file number 3872 2013 pension. 2013 August I have taken retirement. If I am wrongly mentioned, you can see this file names also here, and these pensions details. And this is a pension book from where I to get this you see, and this is my pensions number. It is my service iCards and the PAN cards. Again, they are not allowing me to rotate. If they rotate, they not rotating. So there I have all details. Then I to go others proofs where the people are to hinder me. I to show this my all details. Then I to come back other places this thing, bank accounts, all this, because even they do not. This is my objection. The give adventure save the ocean. It is that give adventure, मतलब सी में जाके मैला साफ करो, ऐसे नहीं. चुदमारनी to make turmoil, dirty and vulnerable instability by doing this petty company. I too blame these peoples. These innocent people has been kidnapped by this. They are misusing this fellow who has probably acted wrongly. This is the setup they are taking to deep sea, where this cloud formation in such abnormal manner. The place where this is called that Isla Prajaresh map है, उसमें 89 this one है, और उसका मेक्सिको गाल में 23 point north latitude, 26 in latitude, and this is the critical information. So this is net I to moved. These peoples are who to make tornado. This is a particular criminal cloud can be formed. Issue this tornado. This tornado is the peculiar that this is the people's annihilator, human annihilation to blame. Because I to put this case in this Lokadalat Arambagh, if these people allow me, because there is a lot of risk my life to go. There may be street accidents and that shooting by etc. that they are having. I was when that at Halisha or Ganga, where our Pushan ashram is there. It is my Gurudev's Mukteswar ashram. It is at young age, now he is no more. All the scientists, veterinary department to shit at his feet, even that bare land grass. It is oak trees. There was some construction in side by I to show this proof. I am from where this area, Arambagh, Kamarpukur, Goghat region. It is a Ramkhetra, Mulluk area. So I to these proofs, and that place it is where that plane come on to this Chandakona nearby area. So then Bermuda Triangle has become very critical place for India and Gujarat and Maharashtra area, where they are doing vulgar scuba diving and putting the deep sea missions. That Maharashtra people life has become very worst, and where Mexico Gulf has become very harmful to us, our eastern portion of India. This is this Bermuda. Bermuda is for the western India, and this portion is for eastern India. This portion has a harbing eastern India, and this portion or western part of India. These are peoples who have to be, may not be this critically, but other peoples who have to see this majestic color form, cloud formation, unless that has been similar type of vessel is there to drag those structures in this magnetic field earth inner, so cloud is also formed on that back. My Gurudev, who is where in Mukti Pushan Ashram, this photo has come, my co-parties, how to Einstein and that Heisenberg to say this packing of the say overplane, how the gravitational phase squeezing you can produce this light squeezing earth calamities etc. That is the relativity or anything that I will be details. This particular is very critical. Now this type of deep vessel they are to deep in. It's a lot of species from one and it's no many things. They are also produce this coronavirus now. They have to give awareness as if they are mankind, humanity harming these people's criminals. So to whom I have, but they have, he has been killed by this recent year, this in the month of August, when I was both not much age difference from 3-4, she is my senior 3-4 years, but he has been suddenly killed by these peoples. It is not my Gurudev was a Mukteswar temple where these peoples, lot of people to come. These photographs, how I to say this, I lost money during transfer from people to MP. So looting of this Bandhan Bank, or Axis Bank, all this private bank, how to they too dangerous for money transfer. So I to सुशांत के जिस तरह का हत्या हुआ मनी लूटिंग पर्पस में, तो न्याय उनके लिए नहीं हो रहा है. CBI actually misleading to give the clean chit of the culprit. Actually all criminals will say they have to give clean chit to all criminals, and that criminals is not being punished. That is anarchic condition in India. I to mention. This is the particular area where it is very dangerous for the whole world that sees. I to mention these areas, and I to mention where these areas of this one side of axis world, and this type of cruciate sea people this to bring upper surface, and when the heavy vessel to keep in ship bottom, then to hanging all these meters to carry or to hanging from this area to create a massive magnetic field underneath of these areas to life snatching purpose. How this cloud formation, all this peculiar, this heavy type of machine they are using to take life snatching our body taking and the deeping. This deeping vessels is very critical. So all the see this how straight line of cloud formation. So these people to use the signs again in my YouTube channel where they to hack me. Those people they indicate that they create the fake channel page to hack me and to dead end of my videos where that should not be subscribe or consultable by this most important matter. So this is what I have the front line happy what they are needs made by these people, criminals to mislead us. These girls may be victim by them, kidnapped by that, innocent they had been made mad by this culprit criminal, by the sinners, brothers, quite as copulating with this little age and misleading, showing this various prospectus, future, etc., just misleading and kidnap this girl. These peoples who are the Vidyut Hajra, Bijan Ghosh, Pradut Hajra, Komudi Hajra, Sikha R. Bhadra, Rajatar Bhadra, Manitosh, that Santosh, Ghosh, ex-soldier Sudhir Ghosh, Adhir Padir Ghosh, Mrinal Ghosh, Bimal Ghosh from Bidhan Chandra Agriculture University, Bengal Veterinary, Dibyentu Maiti, Dipankar Maiti, Subhendu Maiti, Sukhomai, Subhodoy, that then the Samar, Gunjan, Satto, Shankar, etc., that Sushil, Sudhir, Shashankar, Shankar, Kinkar, Dipankar, Shiv Shankar name is of different there people harming, then it is Ankit Namre, Ankit, Anjan, Angad, Gunjan, Gopal Khetra Namre, the Susanto, Sasadhar, Samar, Shubhrangshu, Sudhangshu Karmakar, then Sudhir, Kamalaksha, Girdhar, then is Subimal, then is your Amal, Biman, Alon criminals, then Ajay Durjoy Ghosh from the Veterinary and Agriculture University, that Jayanto Tarabdar, Mohito, Prateep, that is the Duggal family, Jivan Duggal, Mridul Duggal, Jugal Duggal, Jivan, Jimu, then Sisir Pan, then Supal, Kushal, as well as the Solil, Jolil, different type of name taking they are doing, Tuglok, then it is a Tusiton, Tuhinov, Chakravarti, तब मृदुल के बच्चा है जो भी है अजगर then is that Mrinal, Mridango, Mriganko, Adhirpal, Probirpal from Bajua that is a Susito, Tusit, Tusitoi, Tukoi, Tukoi, it's a different Tukin, Tufan, it's of different type of Kormakar, veterinarian, Tujit Singh, etc. They are misusing of those calls and they to bring this type of heavy instrument to the deep sea to put particular my life yogi's head to bring this magnetic field. This is a very critical information. All this I have blamed in forming on slide. This is these peoples to show this courage. But there may be lot of kidnap, but now most of their interest showing in a human killing. I cannot give SQ to come up. Only this little girl, but no boys will be allowed until my Malini group. Now you should be astonished, you should be astonished, you should be astonished. You should be astonished to see this cloud. This cloud, you see this, you will be astonished. You see the whole Mexico Gulf has been covered, that platform, cloud shaping. It hath make me astonished. Why not cloud? Which type of this National Oceanographic Administrative Authority now has been converted into Criminal Parties Association? Hamanasi, is of different Jopadi, etc. This particular their objection where they may object where, but I little show this particular, I have shown in my this video, there are lot of these facilities they are taking in the deep sea. The how long such criminals certainly wintel method to say and stop mob lynching, but they have to be killed by beheading there. There may be some innocent at there which is minded. Probably this influential, vulgar, mothers ka lady, happy lady, these Chudmaranish are so vulgar, they took to life snatching, this may not be. And maybe there are so many people, but maybe they are kidnapped, but all to be involved in such human crime doing. Now this vulgar cannot be shown be pardonable. All these peoples who are so desperate will not be pardonable unless Malini, Bhamini, Shamini, etc., Budi, Chutki, others, these peoples do not give any Samaj Milanpati or others, many veterinarians are there to excuse this. Unless no, there will be total communication. Malini go Joduduggal और सुबोध उनका मदर के जो बड़ा ब्रीफ है उनका मिस्ट्रीज का ग्रुप है, ये सब उनको इसमें जो छूट पाएगा लेकिन मैं आई विल गो टू दिस पीपल, दिस इज दिस क्रिमिनल्स, इट कैन नॉट बी एक्सक्यूज दिस पाइल ऑफ जर्नल्स दे आर यू टू यूज ऑल दिस फैसिलिटी डीप टू गो डीप सी दिस इज अ वेरी हॉरिबल सिचुएशन, हॉरिबल, एंड दिस प्राइड दे टू ब्रिंग ऑन माई हेड to take my life. They are concerned to have the Y center. These peoples on both Mexico from Sibab, this is a very thought, and this people, if it is on my, see what I have shown my cloud, I have to go to the next slide where these peoples, just like savage Borbor savage criminal, and it's looking you so the fears, and these peoples are imagining innocent Chudumaranis to show others, but very criminal, inner cruelest. This is also they have covered that Mediterranean Gulfs. So this is so of Russia, they also reach to Varkanas to where to create problem from underneath. So this is all problems. I to show this knot and shell, all this old test in 1960 time, how these peoples to do witchcraft to teach now this the present generations. So they badly, this is a death. Death is so massive on the heart attack of these zones of Maharashtra. For by Bengal, the data has been prevented by requesting Mamata Banerjee. The Roland Institute is the culprit, that Rolando Christopher and Robin Christopher. This Christopher and Sudev Bhudev is a British, then Attenborough, the Sarah Attenborough, etc., the criminals. So it is our where people, this we have to give these people's areas, Mullu, where these people to die very badly. I have taken this name. The Long Island, Bahamas. I have most complained about Bahamas and Mexico Gulf inner. These peoples, I cannot give any mercy, any mercy. You have to kill. Is a Sanatana Dharma कहता है, it is a culprit, is a vulgar, witches, daini, pishach. They cannot be. Oh, see this cloud. Oh, my dear, this type of cloud for deep diameter rope का जो पैक करना twisting form में cloud है. A twisting, and that rope is twisting under cloud formation. So I cannot see this. Oh, my dear, itna big, and America is still silent. Oh, see these mojas of these people in the seas. So very, very horrible condition. This Buddha, maybe 100 years old. This is so fanatic to kill. Now these people who to hack my computer and do this thing. All we get, this is the people to do mojak in the land. This is that Buddha moja fali chudir bacha, sala khan kere bacha. Laughing is the culprit criminal, and this chudir bacha who is to give support, remain silent, suppressing all data. He is a chudir bacha. He is a chudir bacha. He is a chudir bacha criminal. You see, he cannot imagine if he read this, how cloud can be formation. It is a 5, 10, 20, 30, I do not know how thick a rope that is being twisted and cloud formation on the Sea of Atlantic Ocean. Now this is the Georgia Peninsula, and then the Defense Secretary Pentagon House, and the Chudir Bacha Joy Biden is telling Virginians people, Georgian people is helping by this criminal. He is so happy with this vulgar. And this I do not know with this from where. This is vulgar cloud formation in the sea by these people, and the cross type of cloud formation is very peculiar. All this peculiar. The menstruation, all this do this coitus and menstruation phase to go deep sea to malign this whole world to life stage. It's a platform to float in the sea. So this is that China, they also aligns with these China peoples. So this is that they are also dragons. So I to say our Malini Duggal, India. A Malini Duggal has to take all the head CPC can do. I to give all authorization of this Malini Duggal. I to mention all those things in this slide to teach this barbar, to see, tumito, tuhito, tukito, dipankar, etc. All this to torture and to humiliate and to remark vulgar and to forcefully to rape, etc. That is horrible what I have to leak. And this too, again I am to blame this Oxford vaccine group. They are the culprit criminal who have developed the coronavirus. And these people who do the lot of religious ritual in the name of to mislead. This is a blue whale to whale trailing these people home in paddy. This is vulgar, so this took deep material to enter in the deep sea. Oh, horrible making condition. This is a very horrible condition. Heart attack. I am fed up. This is my Robinji, because I am so anxious to see this. Why I put up this photo in my Facebook, China cleaning Facebook. Robinji cleaning for China, the Satanova and the blue whale simultaneously. This is I am from Arambagh. All these photographs I too posted. The Rural Education Chester, I have blamed these people. Then Oxford Groom. This has come. This is an Aranjoy. This all this Ram Samskita video they have. This is the needle where you vaccine they will solve. They to inject now the Ebola solution. Ebola is the least not thing they to inject or put this virus probably or any other new strain of corona in their needle to enter in the healthy animals. Those peoples are you see this cloud formation of this crime, all crime boundless suddenest cloud, deep sea formation with these people's vulgar. These peoples they are all there. They are all vulgar. Krishna science consciousness that is again they have made vulgar vagina sign how to malign these people and this madachod and this madachod. It is an Indian constitutional सबका साथ सबका विकास सबका विनाश करके ये चुदिर बच्चा चुदुर बुदुर कर रहा है ये चुदमारानी बच्चा ये चुदमारानी बच्चा वो नरेंद्र मोदी के साथ इवन इस लॉर्ड शिवा को ये लोग मेलाइन कर रहा है वो ये आदि गुरु कहता है चुदिर बच्चा असला आदि क्रिमिनल का है जैसे वो आदि मस्तान मतलब क्राइम का इस तरह का नाम बोले 120 इसको कुबा फैसिलिटीज़ करके नीचे हमारा लॉर्ड शिव को ये मेलाइन करता है जैसे तंत्र करना इस तरह का ये सब जो है ना चुदिर बच्चा वहाँ जाके इस तरह का दुर्गा पूजा ऐसे कर करके ये लोग दिखाता है द रिलीजियस पर्सन बट दिस क्रिमिनल्स all these criminal CPs, Captain of the Science has to mention if they see this cloud. Oh, how cloud it can be formed nearby side these defense areas of USA. Oh, and this vulgar to remain, see and do moja human killing. There may be innocent and may be punishment. How naked these vulgar Indian bombs. Oh, this Chudumarani doing killing Indian as if they are to have done brigade job as a military worker. Oh, Chudmaranis. They have made, I am from Sirovinji. I have made that from Mullu Kotalpur it is I have made. As my is be 60 but it is as it will be more than 80 to make horrible condition my body figure. Being Hindu, these peoples to remain settled at Dubai. There are also a lot of facilities as to take undersea, those is a criminal. And that crowd, I have to make this crowd. Why this type of peculiar crowd say permission? This is our victim.